This is what you're missing if you are not a VIP.
Niliyo jasi ya tereke nayenga mpya bupya. Masuka.
Mabroka tibatu bala muyadda amagezi bannange. Kati gwe ne moroko sojisa musente.
Ngalwaki siziteeka. Nyinza n'okulwanga ndabye kweno. Eno kamashini mukajeko. Kasajako wano kubatwenge ndira.
When I do the math, for example, the engine will take about 1,100,000. We'll probably buy the ECU at around 200,000. That's 1.4. We'll buy all 4 tires, which is about 700,000. Sport rims, which is about 1 million. We will respray the car. We'll buy bonnet. We'll buy bumpers. Okay, Chiseka market, there are about 3 categories of people. There are this category of people that repair your shock absorbers. You see them, they repair your bushes, the suspension plates, they take bush mountings. Then there are people that actually do the hard stuff. We have gotten the Zs front and behind. So now kyetugenda okuzaako buno bukasukwe wali kyetugenda okuzaako tugenda nyiga mu mounting zino no mounting ekema okusigaza We have made it a normal car that is going to save you a lot of fuel, but we get a demo 4A. 4A. Yemu kuyingiza Toyota mu EFI ezaali zi saving enya amafuta na vivita iten na jangira bosanga primo ngeri mu 4A omanya amafuta ge. Of course teba na manyi gali aga pushing anti kangobe wa chibina kangobe wipe sam naye wano mafuta oba tokombako.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol.